Many of you may be familiar with the US $100 bill, the highest denomination in circulation in the US, known for its advanced anti-counterfeiting measures. Today, I will take you through the production process of this banknote to understand the complexity and precision involved. The process includes several main steps. First, the process begins with design and engraving. Artists at the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, BEP, create a detailed blueprint for the bill. The portrait of Benjamin Franklin, intricate patterns, and security features are meticulously engraved. This ensures that even the smallest details are reproduced accurately. What's special is that these details need to be both clear and difficult to copy to prevent counterfeiting. The next step is producing special security paper. This paper is different from regular paper. It is made from a blend of cotton and linen, making it both durable and hard to counterfeit. Additionally, during the production process, security fibers and a 3D security strip are embedded in the paper. These features not only enhance security, but also allow people to easily verify authenticity. The $100 bill undergoes three main printing stages. Background printing. First, the background colors and basic design are printed. This forms the base color layer of the bill. Intaglio printing. This is the main printing phase, using intaglio printing, which creates raised details that we can feel by touch, making the bill harder to counterfeit. Overprinting. Finally, the unique serial numbers and the Federal Reserve seal are printed. These elements serve as unique identifiers for each bill. After printing, each bill is carefully inspected by automated systems and BEP staff. This process ensures that there are no flaws in the final product. If any errors are found, the bill is immediately discarded to maintain the highest quality standards. Once everything is ready, sheets of bills are cut into individual banknotes and packaged into bundles. These bundles are then sent to Federal Reserve banks across the United States for circulation. Finally, the Federal Reserve distributes these bills to commercial banks where they are officially introduced into circulation in the economy. Thanks to this complex process and modern technology, the $100 bill is not only valuable, but also durable and difficult to counterfeit. This helps the U.S. protect its economy and maintain public trust in its currency. Preparing gold raw material. First, raw gold materials are prepared, primarily consisting of finished gold products repurchased from various sources. This gold will be melted and refined to create solid gold bars. The furnace is heated to gold's melting temperature, approximately 1064 degrees Celsius. This step ensures that the gold will melt completely when placed in the furnace. Once the furnace reaches the appropriate temperature, workers place the raw gold into the furnace. Here, the gold begins to transition from a solid state to a liquid state. While the gold is melting, workers preheat the molds. This helps reduce temperature differences when pouring the liquid gold into the mold, minimizing the chances of shrinkage or cracking on the bar's surface as it cools. Workers use specialized tools to stir the gold in the furnace, ensuring an even melting process and preventing any impurities from settling. Once the gold is fully melted and reaches the desired purity, an automated system pours the gold from the furnace into preheated molds. This step requires precision to ensure the liquid gold flows evenly into each mold. After pouring into the molds, the gold begins to cool but remains red hot. Workers wait until the gold cools completely and solidifies within the molds. Once the gold has fully cooled and taken shape in the mold, workers use cleaning machines to polish the surface of each gold bar, removing any remaining impurities or dust from the casting process. This step gives the bars a shiny finish and achieves high purity. Finally, a worker inspects a finished gold bar and weighs it to ensure it meets the required specifications. This is the result of their meticulous and precise work, showcasing the quality of each solid gold bar. Producing euro coins requires strict control to ensure precision and quality, as this currency is used across Europe. Metals such as copper, zinc, and nickel are selected and prepared to create the appropriate alloy for each type of coin. Each euro coin denomination, 1 cent, 2 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents, 1 euro, 2 euros, uses different alloys and colors for easy identification. After preparation, the material is fed into a cutting machine to produce metal blanks, which are circular metal pieces made to the standard size for each coin denomination. Each blank is then cleaned and polished in preparation for minting. The blanks are then placed in a stamping machine to engrave designs and national symbols. The machine applies significant pressure to imprint details on both sides of the coin, including the common European side and the unique national side. After stamping, the coins undergo a rigorous quality control process. Each coin is checked for shape, size, weight, and the sharpness of engraved details. Any coins that don't meet standards are removed to ensure quality. After quality checks, the coins go through a surface treatment to clean and enhance durability. This process also gives the coins a shiny appearance and beautiful color, meeting European standards. Finally, the completed euro coins are packaged and distributed to the central banks of member countries to be put into circulation. The gold casting process truly requires considerable effort and meticulousness. Observing each stage, from when workers carefully arrange raw gold pieces in a holding container to the final pour of solid gold bars, one can appreciate their professionalism and skill. Right from the start, each small piece of gold is carefully arranged, preparing for the melting process. This demands high concentration, as even a minor mistake could ruin the valuable material. When the gold is placed in the furnace, one can imagine the intense heat that workers endure. These goldsmiths attentively monitor the rising temperature, ensuring that the gold melts evenly, free from impurities. When the gold has completely melted, the workers use tongs to lift the container out of the furnace, a maneuver that requires both finesse and strength. Pouring the molten gold into the mold is also a crucial step. A single error could cause the gold to spill or pour unevenly, leading to imperfections in the final product. In the end, from those small fragments, the workers have created a large gold bar. It's impressive to see the result of such a painstaking process where every step is carried out by hands seasoned with experience. The finished gold bars hold not only economic value, but also embody the dedication and pride poured into every drop of sweat by these artisans. Seeing the gleaming, flawless gold bars, one cannot help but feel admiration for the skilled hands that crafted them.